Ford has officially transformed its beloved compact pickup into something far more thrilling, a street truck infused with genuine Mustang DNA. The new Maverick 300T kit, designed for the Maverick XL, XLT, and Lariat trims, takes this practical small truck and gives it the heart, handling, and attitude of a performance vehicle. With a massive 300 horsepower output, sport-tuned suspension, bold styling, and a throaty exhaust, this is the street truck enthusiasts have been waiting for. This kit isn't a concept destined to remain a dream. It's real, production-ready, and coming soon. Ford previewed the Maverick 300T project vehicle at SEMA 2025, the world's premier automotive aftermarket event, before its official release to customers next year. According to Ford, this project was inspired by listening closely to Maverick owners and online communities that have long wanted more muscle and personality from their compact trucks. The birth of the 300T. The Maverick has always been a hit among drivers who want pickup capability in a smaller, more affordable package. But enthusiasts quickly began asking for something hotter, a Maverick with real performance credentials. Last year's Maverick Lobo concept gave the truck a sportier look, but not much extra power. Ford took that feedback seriously and went back to the drawing board. The result is the 300T, a package that doesn't just tweak the looks but completely transforms the truck's character. Ford's executive director of accessories and personalization, Matthew Simpson, said the 300T grew directly from conversations with Maverick owners, late-night social media threads, and car clubs. He explained that Ford engineers wanted to create a package that feels like a true performance product, not just a cosmetic add-on. Mustang power for a compact truck. At the core of the Maverick 300T is a heavily upgraded 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine, which receives a turbocharger borrowed straight from the Mustang's 2.3-liter EcoBoost power plant. That's not just a marketing tie-in, it's a genuine performance enhancement engineered by Ford's own performance division. The larger turbocharger increases boost pressure and airflow, allowing the engine to produce an estimated 300 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. For reference, the standard gas Maverick makes just 238 horsepower and 275 pound-feet. That's a 26% increase in power and a noticeable jump in torque, turning the Maverick from a practical commuter into a legitimate street performer. Supporting this new turbo is a Mishimoto intercooler that's 58.8% larger than the stock unit. According to Simpson, this intercooler delivers nearly 40% better cooling and reduces pressure drop by 20%, ensuring that the Maverick maintains strong performance even under hard driving conditions or hot weather. Importantly, the entire kit remains CARB certified, making it legal for sale and use in all 50 states, a crucial detail for enthusiasts in stricter emissions regions. Handling and exhaust. Street-ready engineering power is just part of the story. Ford didn't want the 300T to be fast in a straight line, but sloppy in the corners. So the kit includes a suspension overhaul engineered to make the Maverick feel tighter, more planted, and more responsive. Lowering springs reduce ride height by 10 millimeters, 0.4 inches in front, and 30 millimeters, 1.4 inches in the rear, giving the truck a sportier stance and reducing body roll. Monotube rear dampers improve shock control and ride comfort, while a sturdier rear stabilizer bar, borrowed from the Maverick Lobo, enhances cornering stability. Together, these upgrades deliver sharper handling without sacrificing the everyday usability that made the Maverick so popular. Then there's the sound. The Borla Sport catback exhaust system gives the Maverick 300T a deeper, more aggressive tone. Dual tailpipes exit cleanly from the rear, emphasizing that this truck is not your average grocery getter. Ford's engineers tuned the exhaust note to balance a muscular growl during acceleration with livable quietness at cruising speeds, a lesson borrowed directly from Mustang development. Street-ready looks, bold and functional. The 300T's styling clearly sets it apart from the standard Maverick. Its 20-inch alloy wheels, taken from the Mustang Mach-E GT, give the truck an aggressive stance and improved grip. Buyers can choose between sleek black or eye-catching bronze finishes. For the SEMA show truck, Ford opted for Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, though production kits will come fitted with Pirelli P0 Elect rubber, both premium performance options. Visually, the Maverick 300T sports 300T decals, Maverick tailgate lettering, and Ford performance badges to highlight its upgraded nature. Subtle fender vents and a reworked front spoiler by Air Design provide a sportier face, while improving airflow to the larger intercooler behind it. The overall result is cohesive, aggressive without being overdone, just like a Mustang-inspired street truck should be. Designed for real-world driving, Ford made sure the 300T kit was compatible with real-world use, not just track days. It's designed for Mavericks, equipped with the 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine and all-wheel drive, ensuring proper traction and durability to handle the extra power. Ford also recommends pairing it with the optional 4K tow package, which enhances transmission and drivetrain cooling. A smart move for those who plan to tow or push their Maverick harder. Ford engineers emphasize that the kit doesn't compromise daily drivability. It maintains full factory safety systems, retains emissions compliance, and doesn't void the original warranty when installed by authorized dealers. That's key for buyers who want performance without headaches. Expert insights: why the 300T matters. According to automotive expert Carl Becker, a senior analyst at Motor Trend, Ford's Maverick 300T project signals a major shift. It blurs the line between compact utility and street performance. It's like Ford took the Mustang's soul and put it in a pickup body. Becker noted that the Maverick's compact size makes it ideal for a street truck transformation. The short wheelbase and lightweight chassis mean that 300 horsepower feels much quicker here than it does in a heavier midsize truck. This could be the most fun-to-drive pickup under $40,000 when it hits the market. Industry insiders also see the 300T as part of Ford's broader strategy to appeal to younger buyers. By combining the practicality of a truck with the excitement of Mustang performance, Ford is creating a new type of enthusiast vehicle, one that blends utility with style and speed. Performance tuner Jason Fenske of Engineering Explained added that the 300T's power increase isn't just about straight-line speed. It's about balance. The intercooler upgrade, revised suspension, and exhaust tuning all point to a system engineered holistically. Ford clearly learned from the aftermarket and delivered what enthusiasts were already building on their own. What comes next? The Maverick 300T will debut at SEMA 2025 in Las Vegas, showcasing Ford's growing lineup of performance-oriented trucks. Production versions will be available in 2026, with pricing to be revealed closer to launch. Ford hints that this is just the beginning, suggesting that even more customized versions of the Maverick and other Ford models are on the way from the company's expanding Ford Custom Garage program. If Ford's early prototype is any indication, the Maverick 300T could become one of the most exciting small trucks ever built, a vehicle that's as fun to drive as it is practical. It's the perfect blend of Mustang attitude and Maverick versatility. And for the first time, it's something enthusiasts can actually buy, not just dream about. In a market filled with crossovers and SUVs that all feel the same, the Maverick 300T stands out as something rare. A compact pickup with real performance DNA. Ford has essentially built the street truck fans have been asking for, and in doing so, may have just redefined what a modern small pickup can be.